2 people killed, 3 lives lost. Elif Yavuz and Ross Langdon were looking forward to the birth of their first child in a few weeks' time. Elif was Dutch. Last month, her work with the Gates Foundation led her to meet former US President Bill Clinton.
Sociale rechtvaardigheid.
Her former professor said what she wanted was what many students want: social justice, fairer opportunities and happiness in this world.
Hi there. So I grew up in southeastern Tasmania. For a few of our early years we lived in a tent at the end of a lush valley by a river. Later, my brother and I built our own tent.
Ross Langdon had dual British and Australian citizenship. He was an architect, specialising in buildings which blended with their environment.
This roof on the right here was inspired by this amazing cloud formation I saw one morning, created by the morning sun heating the mist that falls in the valley overnight.
A Ugandan charity he helped paid this tribute. His talent, creativity and love of East Africa was responsible for the creation of our magnificent lodge, but also made possible our Rusty Roof Exchange programme, where we replaced the roofs of 5 impoverished family homes, 2 primary schools and 1 mosque in Kayambura. A Tasmanian friend said both Ross and Elif had so much to offer. They dedicated their lives to a more peaceful world. Ian Woods, Sky News.